Welcome to Michael and Games, and welcome to another quick vlog. So I'm just going to be updating you on my PC, showing you what it looks like now. Like I said in yesterday's vlog, I was basically lubing up my graphics card with QuantumCoat. Basically, it's a diamond coating that makes the fans last basically forever. And we're going to take a look at the computer and see, you know, the new LEDs and everything. I got a new fan exhaust on the back, and I'll talk about that in a moment. All right. Here she is. My computer got my GTX 1080 Ti for the Win 3 graphics card back installed. Let's get over this way, and there we go. It is for the Win 3. This thing is freaking beautiful. Here's my new exhaust fan that I got. It's pumping out a lot more air. I can adjust the fan in the BIOS, which I'm probably going to do because right now it's just whatever the factory default setting is. But I'll probably boost that up so it pumps out even more heat. Well, exhaust, you know what I mean. It's an exhaust fan. And there's my GTX 980 Ti, or 980 Ti, or I think it's just a 980 for the Win edition. It's the first edition of the for the Win. This is the, you know, for the Win 3. So this is my PC build at the moment. You know, this CPU cooler I installed a few months ago. I think it looks really good. It's a little noisy at times, so maybe eventually I'm going to upgrade to water-cooled, but I'll probably just wait until I get a new motherboard. I do want to get the GTX, or the Intel i9 processor, which is like $1,000 or so, maybe a little more, so gonna have to wait until I save up some more money. But the GTX 1080 Ti graphics card is freaking beautiful, and it's got 3 fans at the bottom, which we can't really see right now. But the other thing I really like about it is these 3 LEDs right above the 1080. The first one is, well, basically what they are heat temperature gauges. So if it's blue, it's below 60 degrees Celsius. If it's green, it's like 60 to like 82 degrees Celsius. And then if it's red, really hot, it's basically, I think it's 83 degrees and above. You don't want it that hot. You want it between 60 to 70 is the sweet spot, I would say. And then here are all my hard drive bays. I got quite a few in there. I'm probably going to get a few more soon because I'm running out of memory on my main YouTube hard drive. But yeah, here's my RAM. I love the color of it. It's just like a kind of brassy orange color. I guess it's more orange than brass, but I think it looks really good. But like I was saying, I want to upgrade to a new motherboard, so that thing is going to be even more colorful. And I've seen RAM out there that have LEDs in the RAM itself. So let's see, I got the 850. You know what? I don't know if I ever uploaded that video of me upgrading to this new power supply. I'm gonna check and see about that. But anyways, alright guys, let me know what you guys think of my PC build in the comments below. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already. Any questions, you know, just leave them down below in the comments. Alright guys, see you later.